Hey guys, Tim Walling here with SC Legal Carry. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. We are also selling optics at Optics 86. If you need an optic, please check us out there. Guys, let's just have some fun today. So the Taurus G2C, this is the gun that we've been going out and practicing with. We did our series on. I like this little gun. It's a very economical, small firearm, good carry gun, home protection gun, and a fun gun just to take to the range and have a good time with. And this optic plate will mount on this Taurus G2C. So let's just go put it on here and let's head to the range and have a little bit of fun today. Okay. This is the Vortex Viper on here. Let you guys get a quick look at it on the gun. It is a good snug fit. It is on there really well. So we'll go down, sight it in, shoot it a little bit, have some fun with it today. See you guys at the range. Remember the G2C, we've been shooting, it's been holding up really well. I really like it on the firearm. So we've got it loaded up here. Let's take a few shots real quick with it here. And let's walk down and get a quick peek at this. So you can see a little out there. Pretty good here. Pretty good here. Oh. Our Taurus G2C with a Viper on it. That's working out nice. I like this. I gotta tell you folks, for the money for this firearm right here, this is a super bargain on this gun. Safety comes off. And let's take a look at how we're doing here. Now we already had some shots on the target, but we're a little loose on this one. Tighter here, and even tighter on this one. So let's load up and do that one more time. Come up, find the sight. Off, we come up, find the sight. Fire safety off, find that shot. Zero. Nice. This thing is definitely holding zero for me on it. Super nice. That plate is working out really well too. That thing is good and tight. I know I've probably got around 500 rounds through it today. I'm gonna have to stop. Ammo's getting kind of tough to find right now. So I got a couple other things I want to shoot today, but I'm really liking this Taurus a whole lot, especially with this optic on it. There's nothing like going to the range and getting to shoot for a little while. I love being out here and firing these guns, guys. I hope you guys get to come out and shoot also.